Burgerlicious stuff. Burgerlicious stuff.
Hey, Barbie. Barbie.
Hi.
Okay.
I wasn't singing Burgerlicious stuff. What?
Well, I came here to tell you about my new Mustang I bought.
You have a car?
I have a Mustang.
Let me see it.
Okay, come on, I'll show you. Right over here.
Where?
Oh my god, check it out.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this awesome signature Mustang. Look at that awesome rating on the back. And look at that awesome comfy interior design. It's so soft.
It's awesome. Where did you get this?
Well, I got it from a good friend of mine.
Where?
Well, oh look, he's over there. Look, there's Bill.
There.
This car is like so amazing. I'm so happy about this Mustang.
You know what I think?
You think that you want one, just like me.
No, I think you just copied me just because I got a cool car.
I don't remember any cool car.
Oh, the Lamborghini. Don't you go there.
You said cool car. It has nothing to do with this Mustang. This is a cool car.
Oh, ever since I got a car.
No. You want to start something, Barbie?
Come on, bring it. You little. My car. What the hell just happened?
He just took our Mustang. Took my Mustang.
That's so sad.
Well, whatever. We can get a new car next time.
You promise we won't let anything come between our friendship?
Yeah, I promise. That was a bit immature.
Alright, never mind.